Hey y'all, let's make some red lentil fritters with coriander. Welcome to my channel, Blooming Gusto, Relish Life with me. This is Anurupa. Let's dig into the recipe.
Pop, tom, tom, lele, lulu, mayang, 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 pop, tom, tom, lele, lulu, mayang. Mayang pop, tom tom lele, lulu. Mayang pop, tom tom lele, pop, tom tom lele, pop, tom tom lele, lulu. Mayang pop, tom tom lele, mayang mayang.
Here it is, red lentils with coriander munchies. Let's test it. It's crispy, it's yummy, it's protein rich. Serve it with sauce, any kind of sauce, and salad or cucumber, and you're good to go. You can have it in the evening as an evening snack from 4 to 5 p.m. or in the brunch time 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Thanks for watching.